Okay, we're gonna program a Home Depot remote or Chamberlain Universal remote, what we have here, to our old garage door opener Craftsman. And this one actually has a learn button, and the learn button, it's a purple one. So that one is old. That one, it's 2012 with the purple learn button. Okay, so how we do that? So we first hit that one, and then we go to our remote and we press this one. Now we click 1, 2, 3, and then we press this one back to raise it. So let's see if it's working. Yeah, hurry. Good job.